Let's throw the battery on. Ooh, y'all cross y'all fingers, man. If y'all remember that last video, man, our alternator wire was out of here. Should be just enough to get us a power on there. Oh, let's see what we got here. Alright, so it should be switch on power.
Don't listen to this nigga. Don't listen to this nigga. This nigga ain't got no sense.
I don't know if I can get y'all right here. See if we get some light. So hopefully we can switch this thing on, man. Let's see. Dang, my hands is cold, man. No illumination. Well, we just got a cold start. That ain't what we was looking for. Man. Alright. Guess it's back to the drawing board. Let's keep on. Hold on, I want to check one thing real quick. I want to check one thing. I want to make sure that that's where my power is, or supposed to be. Oh man. Let the car run for a while, I guess. So we flip y'all back around. Man, I don't know, that might be the wrong one. Yeah, it's the right one. Cause yeah, we got power there, and we got power there. Alright man, I guess. Hey, we're gonna keep on going. Hook some more wires up. Let's see where this goes. I said, hey, yo. It's your boy Tulu, man. Back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? How 2025 treating y'all so far, man? Hey, well, I hope all is well. You know what I'm saying? I hope everything is going well for you right now. You know what I'm saying? But if it ain't, man, you already know what I say. Within 5, 10, 15 minutes, tomorrow, next week, next month, man, we could definitely be in a better situation. So, you know what I'm saying? Don't hate on it. Just wait on it. You see somebody out there getting theirs right now, man. Don't hate on it. Just wait on it. Alright, man. So, as y'all see, we back in the cockpit, bro. And from that last reaction from the beginning of this video, man, yeah, we still ain't get this together, man. We still ain't get this together. And yes, I did take this black piece back down because shout out to my dude Sick and Tired, my guy Chris, man. Hey, he blessed me, man. I was feeling crazy as I don't know what when he told me one day, and luckily I took that break, and he told me, he was like, man, why don't you just take that down and just do the wires from there instead of just doing them on my back like I was under there. But hey, that's neither here nor there. I ain't gonna hold y'all for so long. So man, we about to go ahead and get straight to this video. You heard me? Alright, so boom. Alright, so shout out to my dude Scooter Johnson, man. I'm gonna put his YouTube right here, man. Shout out to him, man. He reached out to me before, and he pretty much, I think he has an 83 Buick Regal, man. I'm sorry if I'm mistaken. I'll correct it if not. You know what I'm saying? But he got a Buick Regal, and he also did the intellitronix cluster, and he sent your boy a video pretty much how he had everything wired up. Now I'm gonna tell y'all where I was messing up. All right, so if y'all remember, I was doing I was doing both of them as a key on. Wrong. One of them was supposed to be a constant hot. Now I know. Now I know. Salute to you, my guy. Salute to my other guy, man. My other guys, always 87 and 84 Cuddy, man. I appreciate y'all, boy. Y'all boys, hey, y'all kept me sane through this process. So I'm about to do this. Y'all remember those little 5 amp fuse links that I had, fusible links that I had down there? I'm gonna take those out. We're gonna find this constant for this power, and then we're gonna try to see if we can get this thing lit up, man. So let's get to it. All right, man, so first we got to find a constant. All right, so what I'm about to do here is pretty much hook the battery up. Oh my goodness. Hold this doggone heavy hood up. Hold on, catch me back, I'm right here, sir. Follow me. Man, this camera is pretty cool, man. I'm still learning to work it, man. Still learning the kinks and everything out of it. All right, so hold on, let me make sure I don't have anything plugged in before I connect the battery. Man, be safe. Be safe. I know I ain't the most professional. We're gonna look down there and see. Yes, I do have those on there. So let me turn y'all around, see, show you what I'm talking about. See, I still had those wires connected because I was out here messing with it. These two right here. All right, so let's pull this out. All right. All right, man. Let's hook this battery up. See if we can't find this constant, and we need that 12-volt key on. All right. Try this again. Man. Hey, I want to say, man, I definitely appreciate all my supporters, man. All my supporters, for real. Salute y'all, man. Y'all keep me going. Y'all keep me motivated. Y'all already know I ain't with that fake stuff, but we're gonna Charlie Mike. So what we're gonna do here is take our little test light. Put my thing. I ain't got the key. Oh, the key in. All right. So the key is switched off, right? Oh man. So hold on. Let me flip this around. All right. So go up. Try to zoom this thing in. All right, focus. All right, so see, those is my key-ons up here where I had both of those plugged in too, up here. So I see my battery down here. So one of these should be a constant. Let's see one right. Oh, okay. So boom, that's a constant right there. All right, so how you know that's a constant is because the key is off. I hope the mic is picking me up, but the key is off, and y'all see we got the test light right here. Hold on, let me cut this. Well, you don't need the light, but anyway, y'all see the light is on the test light. All right, now see my key ons up here that I had them in right here. You see they off right now. But if I switch the key on, boom, those two right here that I just touched, we got action. So that's my problem. So what I'm gonna have to do is take this pink wire, which is my auxiliary, and put it in probably this 12 volt key on, and take that red and put it in here, right here for a constant. All right, man, let's get this taken off. Man, let's get to work. All right, man, so this is gonna be just kind of for a test. Wait a minute. See, I just said that. I just said that about being safe, right? Just said that. And look there, I got the key switched on and the battery is still hooked up. I'm trying to be better, man. I'm trying to be better, especially when I'm trying to show something, man. Y'all bear with me. I know I ain't the most professional. I'm definitely not a professional at this, nor do I claim to be, but yeah, I want to be able to show some people, you know what I'm saying, like the real. I ain't see a video on nobody truly fully installing this cluster, man. I look places, I've seen them like half do it or halfway explaining it, but man, we're gonna try to break it down for y'all. All right, so boom, we back. Let me get y'all back up now. Let me get y'all back together now. Hold on now. Hold it in the road, G. All right, so boom. Now, all right, let me just, battery is off, battery cables is off. Boom, you like focus. So what I'm gonna do is go right there with that red wire, when it says R on it. We're just gonna pop it in there. We're gonna take that pink wire, we're gonna put it up there. I don't know why I'm just talking and don't do it. Man, y'all in the way, man. Watch out real quick, man. See, watch out. All right, so this is my pink. And I am gonna do me another ground, man. I'm gonna do me a better ground. I'm gonna ground it right here down here to the where the dash is, to the body. Oh no. I need to extend this. Can I bring it back? Alright. It's gonna pull out. No, you know what? See, I'm messing up, bro. I'm messing up. I got this stuff right here that I just got. These 1-pin, and I'm gonna do it the right way, man. So let's get into that. Remember, use the blue terminal. I'm talking to the camera. Yep. Yep, it's right here on the video. You can all the time. Right down, somebody for me. Yeah, maybe go. All right, man, so let's get these things plugged up in here. All right, now remember, we're gonna put the pink up there on the auxiliary, and we're gonna put the red down here on our battery terminal, which is our constant, and our pink is the key on. All right, man, let me get y'all flipped around. All right, now we gotta find this place to put our ground. All right, y'all, as y'all see, we got our sketchy ground up. Now I know, man. Hey, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, but man, we about to go ahead and hook this battery up. Let's see if we get some lights, y'all. All right, let's see if we gonna burn it up or we gonna light it up. Let's see. All right, so we got everything. Let me flip y'all around. Oh, where my light? Where my light go? So we got everything hooked up in its location. Got our ground, sketchy ground on there, so let's see, man. Oh, yo, say. Oh, my signal light on, y'all. Oh shit. Let me turn the signal light off. What? Lord, I'm slobbering and everything. What? Man, what? Hold on, let me turn the signal light off. I ain't trying to touch nothing. Oh! Boy, that's the motivation I needed. You hear me? Man, let's go ahead and, I don't know. I gotta pause real quick, man. I gotta pause for the calls real quick, bro. Salute to everybody, man. Salute to everybody, bro. Shout out to all the help, man. Shout out to all the help, bro. Y'all don't understand. I had this thing since 2021, bro. This is my first time seeing this thing lit up, bro. Man, bruh. Believe in yourself, man. Believe in yourself, bro. I ain't never do none of this stuff. From the swap to this, bro, to the gas. Bruh, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. We'll be right back, man. Yeah, and we're gonna have to tie that into the oil pressure sensor wires back here. Man, what the? Bruh. Where the heck is my oil temperature sensor wire at? Man, fuck.